Introducing the new DynaPrep Modular Design Split Frame by Wachs. This machine tool performs cuts, bevels, flange faces, and counterbores on inline pipe. You may have used ordinary clamshells to cut and bevel pipe, but the Wachs DynaPrep is better, faster, and more efficient than the competition. The DynaPrep has miter capability that allow it to cut and bevel angles on inline pipe for joining sections. A crash-resistant dual trip works with a star wheel that requires no timing. The trip assembly is indexed to match the gradation marks on the tool slides, eliminating guesswork and saving setup time. Interchangeable components on sizes from 6 inches up to 60 inches eliminate the need for a large inventory of items. The DynaPrep is built with V-Lock technology that joins the ring set together quickly and effortlessly, while captivated swing bolts assist in fast and easy installation around inline pipe. Swing-away toe clamps allow tool slides to be quickly mounted to the ring set, while the tool slides feature patented rapid advance and rapid retract to quickly adjust tooling. Laser alignment allows a light beam to shine directly on the pipe, indicating precise cut lines. Only 2 wrenches are needed for machine operation, 13mm and 19mm, that are interchangeable with 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch wrenches. For the best, fastest, and most efficient split frame of its kind, contact us today. Email sales@ehwachs.com or call us at 847-537-8800. Wachs, providing you with superior equipment, complete support.